Hi, let's start to discuss about this question. Okay, beside here there's a helicopter. There's the blades of diameter 5 meter. Okay, that means the diameter here. Okay, from here to here, the diameter is 5 meter. Okay, this helicopter is hover above the ground at a particular instant. Its blades are rotating in such a way that they are pushing air downwards at a speed of 18 meter per second. Okay, the density of the air is 1.02 kilogram per meter cube. So what does that mean? That means, okay, for this case, we need to understand that here, let's say there are a lot of air particles here, okay, surrounding the helicopter, air particles. Okay, the turning of these blades will push the air particle downwards. Okay, they will push it downwards. Now, by action-reaction, the air particles also push the blade upwards. Okay, this is the force that you are required to find in this question. Okay, now let's see how do we get this force here in this question. Okay, now usually when helicopter problem or whatever fluid that hitting a hard surfaces here, okay, this is the blade is a hard surface. The air particles that hit the hard surfaces, we need to use F equals to V dm dt formula to solve the problem. This is no longer F equals to ma. Now, for example, in the past we learned that F equals to m dv dt plus v dm dt, right? This one is m a, actually dv dt is a. Okay, but we cannot use these two formula at the same time, depends on the situation, and this formula is particularly special when there is a rate of change of mass. Okay, what kind of things that have rate of change of mass? Usually it is fluid. Okay, in this case we are dealing with the air particles, which is a form of fluid, so we use this formula instead of this formula. This one we do not use. Okay, this one we do not use. Now let's start to derive what they are talking about. V dm dt, V d over dt. What is mass? M is the mass. Mass is density times the volume. Okay, now the density is density of the air, because now we are talking about the rate of change of mass of the air being pushed downwards. Okay, now density of the air, we take it out, d over dt. The volume is the area times height. Okay, what is this area? The area is area of the blade times the height of the air particles travel. Okay, the blade is above here, so the air particles are all these air particles. Okay, and below, don't forget, when the blade is rotating, it will form a circle, right? They form a circle, so the height is this one. The area is actually the area of the circle below. Okay, now let's take it out, because the area formed by the blade is a circle, which is a constant. We can take out the a, so v rho a dh dt. What is dh dt? Dh dt is the rate of change of height over time. The height over time is velocity, so rho a, velocity times velocity, velocity square, right? Okay, now we look at the question here. What information they give you? Oh, they give you the density is 1.02. Okay, 1.02. What about the area? The area is the circle. A circle is what? A circle is pi d square over 4, because they give you diameter, supposedly pi r square, right? But when they change to diameter, you should use pi d square over 4, because the area is pi r square. Well, the r is diameter over 2, right? That's why it's pi d square over 4. So it's pi times the diameter. What is diameter? Is 5 d square over 4. What about the v? The v is 18 square. Okay, we will get our answer in Newton. Okay, please press your calculator. You should get the answer.